SewArt is a popular embroidery digitizing software developed by S&S Computing. Known for its user-friendly interface and affordable pricing, SewArt is designed for beginners and hobbyists who want to transform their artwork or images into embroidery patterns. It simplifies the process of digitizing while offering essential tools for customization and creativity. Key features of SewArt: number 1, image conversion to embroidery patterns. Easily convert images, logos, or designs into embroidery-ready files. Supports various image formats, including JPEG, PNG, BMP, and GIF. Number 2, Auto-Digitizing Capabilities. Automatically generates stitches based on your image. Adjust settings like thread count, color, and stitch density for optimal results. Number 3, Manual Stitch Editing. Fine-tune designs with manual editing tools. Add, move, or delete stitches to achieve precise control over the embroidery design. Number 4, Color Reduction and Merging. Simplify your designs by reducing the number of colors. Merge similar colors for a cleaner embroidery output. Number 5, Preview and Simulation. View a simulation of how your design will look when stitched. Detect potential issues before exporting the file. Number 6, Multiple file formats. Save designs in widely used embroidery formats like PS, DST, EXP, and more. Compatible with various embroidery machines. Number 7, User-friendly interface. Simple navigation with intuitive tools, making it ideal for beginners. Number 8, Affordable and lightweight. Requires minimal system resources and is cost-effective compared to other digitizing software. Pricing SewArt is one of the most affordable embroidery digitizing software available. As of now, it is priced at $75 for a single user license. A free 30-day trial is also available, allowing users to explore its features before making a purchase. Who should use SewArt? SewArt is perfect for beginners looking to start their embroidery journey, hobbyists interested in creating personalized designs, small business owners who need basic digitizing capabilities. SewArt is an excellent choice for those who want to explore embroidery digitizing without breaking the bank. Its straightforward interface combined with essential tools makes it a go-to solution for creative minds. While it might not have the advanced features of high-end software, it strikes the perfect balance between functionality and affordability. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to bring your designs to life, SewArt might just be the right tool for you. Digitizings.com offers a range of professional embroidery digitizing services. They specialize in converting custom artwork, logos, and designs into embroidery-ready files, ensuring perfect results for your projects. Services include embroidery digitizing, 3D puff digitizing, and vector art conversion. With quick turnaround times and high-quality outputs, Digitizings.com helps you create stunning designs that are ready to stitch on your embroidery machine, enhancing your embroidery experience.